Hello, Macmillan. Today, our project, we are finding the percent chance that a certain item called the Bozo Mask, it has a 3% chance to drop. So, we did many runs.
We did exactly 300 runs on the same floor to get just to see if Hypixel was lying about the 3% chance. We have initial hypothesis of them equaling 3%, and then a null hypothesis is not equaling 3%.
Yeah, we did 300 runs, looked in the obsidian chest, and we went to see if we got a Bozo Mask.
If we did not get the Bonzo's mask, then it was considered a fail, and so we marked it down as a fail. And if there was the Bonzo's mask, then we wrote it down as a success, and then we just counted the amount of times we got the success at the end.
300 times.
300 times we did this. Our first problem started whenever we tried with floor 5, where we tried to get the Livid Dagger, which had a higher percent chance to spawn after killing the boss. But we couldn't kill the boss in time. I mean, we couldn't kill the boss with just the two of us, so we tried getting teammates, so that way we could
do it faster.
to kill the boss faster. But the problem with teammates is they would die, and we needed to have we had to get less than 2 deaths in order to get the required score to get the item. And the teammates kept dying more than 2 times, so we just had to completely get rid of that and move down to floor 1.
And the problem with floor 1 is it's easier. It's just the big rooms, they're a big pain.
No problem. So the big rooms, and then also sometimes we would have teammates that would not help, and whenever you leave, it also counts as a death. So we sometimes had to restart because of that. So we just ended up giving up with the teammates like 100 something runs through and just did it by ourselves, which took longer, but we got more runs done per hour, so it's better.
Yeah. What up, Macmillan, doing this thing called grinding 300 runs, floor 1. You don't know what that means, but going into a dungeon, beat the boss, hope we get the item, 3% chance? Let's start this. Oh, I have 4,000 HP going in. Let's go. My frames are going crazy. Holy shit, I need... Oh, damn. Ah!
Alright, well, I guess we just don't complete this one.
Yippee!
This is the guy.
This is Bozo. He's gonna teleport over here. No! Oh.
Danny, look
no.
out!
I almost died with 6,000.
Alright. Is this a success? It took us. Let's see. Fail.
That's it. Hello, Macmillan. So, you see, these runs, there are these things called secrets. And that one check mark up there, over there, yeah, that means we completed the room, which makes it so we get an S run.
There's multiple different secrets that you can do. We have, you can blow up walls.
Through a wall.
Disarm traps. Figure out puzzles, and then and also like going in and finding the chest, which is the main secret, and then
Okay.
and also bats, but they don't spawn anymore, so you just kind of
Yeah.
they exist, but they don't at the same time.
Alright, so we did one sample t-test. And as you would know, we got 0.64 that equals p. So then, after that, we realized we failed to reject the hypothesis.
That being that the true proportion of floor 1 runs is equal to 3% for Bonzo's mask. And we also did a random number generator just to make sure, and we chose numbers 00 through 02 to be a success that we found the Bonzo's mask, and then 03 to 99 being a fail that we did not get Bonzo's mask. And then we did that for 300 times. We did that 25 times, and we found out that it is actually possible with 3% chance that you get. It only happens once.
Bonzo's mask!
Finally!
Let's get.
So, yeah.